Here's the content of the Neo Tri-Dagger ZMC Carbon Special. So this is the tires. So ang ganda nung pagkaka-mold niya. And matigas siyang klase ng tire. And meron pa siyang mga knit here, as you can see. So may molds of the tires here. Not the regular makinis ba. So medyo maganda yung pagkakaano ng gulong na itong Neo Tri-Dagger. Also, ito yung pang main tire niya. Nothing fancy. Color black. And of course, the gears, the oil or grease. Then yung stock motor. The clip nung sa battery. So ayan, kompleto siya dyan. And sealed din yung lalagyan. Sealed siya para hindi kumalat if ever. Then, the body. So, ayan yung main frame niya. Hindi ko pa siya ilalabas. Pero, seems lit, as you can see. Color black plus medyo matigas yung plastic or yung carbon mold niya, not compared with other Tamiya mold parts. So this one is a little bit matigas compared with the others. Also, ito yung chassis. Ayan, kita nyo naman. So, maganda rin yung itsura niya. And seems matigas din like the other part of it. Matibay, if I will be asked. Siyempre sayang naman yung pagiging carbon special niya, di ba? If hindi siya ganun ka-special naman talaga. But, I don't know, I can see na medyo okay ito. And, mas maganda compared dun sa isang Tamiya ko. Also, ano pang meron? Ayan. The rollers, the cover ng motor, yung holder ng battery. Ayan. Yung for the roller part. So, but of course, we will upgrade this. Hindi tayo mag-i-stock lang ng gantong parts. Also, sticker. So, yan. Ganda. Ito nyo naman. Neo Tri-Dagger ZMC. Ganda ng sticker niya. And syempre, para meron tayong guide kung paano bubuin, meron ding manual. So, yan. So, nandito yung instruction niya. English naman siya. May Japanese din. So, this is our guide building the new Tamiya that we will be having. And again, that's for the Neo Tri-Dagger ZMZ Carbon Special na nirelease lang nila ulit. So ano to kung sasabihin hindi na siya ganun common sa market, and kung bibili ka sa resellers at this time, it's either half yung patong or baka double pa nga at this time. So luckily we scored this one in a SRP price. Kaya I'm excited to have it built para magamit na rin natin. So stock motor pa lang to. So there's a lot of upgrades to do. Very upgradable naman tong Tamiya na to. So yun lang guys, na-share ko lang yung bago nating laruan in additional collection. So tago muna natin to. Buuin natin pag may time na. See ya.